Today's project is to repair this bandsaw. This hand wheel here to tighten the adjustment on the cutting length. It's broken, it's just plastic. Take another one off to measure it. So I'm going to make two new ones of these out of aluminium, and I'm going to use an M8 bolt socketed cap screw to it instead of making the threads and everything out of aluminium. I don't think that will hold up. So I've made a little design here on how it's going to look. I'm going to mill a hex like that on the back side, where I'll insert a nut and then the socketed cap screw from this side, and then I'll Loctite that onto the screw, and hopefully it will stick. I will turn that piece in the CNC machine just because it will be faster, especially with these radiuses. So I finished machining these hand wheels. They have a hex on the back side for the nut. The bolt is 3/8/16, so it's just a matter of threading this bolt just a little bit further up, and the project will be done. It wasn't possible to make any usable video inside the CNC machine because of the coolant, but it was basically two operations. This is the first side here. Face it, turn it, and drill, 10mm drill, and then bore this recess and bore out there, and then the 10mm or 8mm end mill to cut this. Turn it around and face it there, face there, and make the radius, and then 3mm end mill to mill out the hex, and the same end mill just plunging down in the corners to get clearance for the nut. So I only made one test piece and these two, so I guess I have it down now. So anyone who wants a pair can buy them for a reasonable amount. So I'll get to the threading, see how it goes. This is how I'm threading it. Just a normal die on hex key. Some Moly D there. The bolt is obviously looser tolerance or tighter. Anyway, the bolt is bigger than the threads here, so it cuts all the way. Oh, China crap! That was interesting. I wonder what that die holder was made of. Not so impressed. I guess I'll have to thread them in another way. It's a lesson for us all. Don't buy crap, buy proper tools. I guess we won't finish those threads today. According to the seller, this is made in England die. Maybe there's some place in a little island or something in China where it's called England. For the record, I don't usually buy crap. This tap and die set here I bought maybe more than 15 years ago, and I barely used the die holder. I've used the taps, some of the taps, and they are crap too. But after that I've learned to buy proper tools. Or I guess not. I have learned to buy what I think is proper tools. After a little bit of threading on the pacemaker, these are completed. I already fitted one to the bandsaw. I'll put on the washer like that, and we can throw away the Chinese plastic. Mount this. It's the first one. There. Looks a little bit better and will last.